Assalamu alaikum. Today, let's talk about women in Islam. This particular subject has been misunderstood constantly. There are essential roles of women in Islam, embracing diversity and empowerment. In the richness of Islam, woven intricately with threads of faith, culture, and tradition, the roles of women stand as a vital and indispensable element. Despite prevalent misconceptions, Islamic teachings champion the dignity, rights, and significance of women within society. From the inception of Islam, women have played pivotal roles as leaders, scholars, caregivers, and contributors to the spiritual and social fabric of Muslim communities worldwide. Islam, as a faith, underscores the equality of all individuals before the divine, irrespective of gender. The Quran, the holy scripture of Islam, emphasizes the intrinsic worth and spiritual equality of men and women. In Surah An-Nisa, the women, verse 32, it is stated, "Whoever does righteous deeds, whether male or female, while being a believer, will surely receive his reward in full, and they will not be wronged." This verse underscores the equal value placed upon the actions and devotion of both men and women in the eyes of Allah. Furthermore, Islam advocates for the education and empowerment of women. The Prophet Muhammad himself emphasized the importance of seeking knowledge, stating, "Seeking knowledge is obligatory for every Muslim." This injunction applies equally to men and women, encouraging all members of the community to pursue education and enlightenment. Throughout Islamic history, women have made significant contributions to fields such as theology, jurisprudence, literature, and science, debunking the myth that Islam suppresses female intellectualism. In Islamic jurisprudence, women have been granted rights and protections that ensure their well-being and autonomy. Islamic law guarantees women the right to inheritance, financial independence, and the freedom to choose their spouses. Contrary to popular misconceptions, Islam prohibits forced marriages and advocates for the consent of both parties in the marital contract. Additionally, Islam places a strong emphasis on the equitable treatment of women within marriage, mandating kindness, respect, and support from husbands towards their wives. The portrayal of women in Islam extends beyond mere roles within the household. Women have been active participants in various spheres of public life throughout history. From the time of the Prophet Muhammad's wife, Khadija, a successful businesswoman and esteemed advisor, to modern-day activists, scholars, and leaders, women have left an indelible mark on Islamic civilization. Their contributions encompass diverse fields, including politics, education, philanthropy, and social reform, embodying the multifaceted nature of their role within Islam. Moreover, Islam promotes the protection and upliftment of women through principles of social justice and compassion. The concept of sadaqah, charity, in Islam emphasizes the importance of supporting marginalized members of society, including widows, orphans, and women in need. Islamic teachings encourage believers to advocate for the rights of women, challenge gender-based discrimination, and strive towards gender equality within their communities. However, it is essential to acknowledge that cultural interpretations and practices sometimes diverge from the core principles of Islam, leading to the marginalization or oppression of women in certain contexts. Patriarchal norms, traditional customs, and socio-economic factors can intersect to inhibit women's full participation and agency within Muslim-majority societies. Addressing these challenges requires a concerted effort to promote gender-sensitive interpretations of Islamic teachings, dismantle oppressive structures, and empower women to reclaim their rightful place within Islam. In conclusion, the importance of women in Islam cannot be overstated. From the teachings of the Quran to the actions of the Prophet Muhammad, Islam underscores the equality, dignity, and agency of women. By embracing diversity, promoting education, upholding rights, and fostering empowerment, Islam lays the foundation for a society where women can thrive as integral members, contributing their talents, perspectives, and aspirations towards the betterment of humanity.